Hello and welcome. I'm Zenobia, Director of INaWORD, a foreign language training institute that I set up in 2000. I know that many of you are probably keen to learn French now, but you're wondering whether online classes can be as effective as face-to-face classes. We at INaWORD have set up INaWORD Online and are really pleased with the seamless transition that our students and teachers have made to the online format. Our classes are highly interactive and engaging. Students have lots of opportunities to speak and collaborate with each other. So come along with me and we'll take a quick look in at day one of a beginner level French class.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to this French class.
Bonjour.
So let's look at what we are going to do today very quickly. First of all, I'll be asking you to name a few symbols that you typically associate with France. Then we'll move on to an activity where you'll have to guess the meaning of some of the French words that you hear. Then you'll get to learn how to say your name. I think a few of you may already know how to do this. Then we'll move on to simple greetings and we'll wrap it up with learning a few everyday French expressions. Okay, name three symbols, the top three symbols that come to your mind when I say France.
Eiffel Tower.
Okay, do you know how to say that in French? Any idea how to say that in French?
No.
Okay. Okay. La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. Okay.
Champagne.
Oh. Okay. Champagne. Pardon. Champagne.
Baguette.
Okay, très bien. Yes, Radhika.
Okay, so the croissant.
Okay. Le croissant.
The Louvre.
Le Louvre.
Then the Mona Lisa inside the Louvre.
Do you know how they say that in French?
No idea.
Places for Mona Lisa in French. Sakshi, any idea?
No.
La Joconde. So let's now start trying to pronounce all these words. So each one, the words that you've said, I'll give you a chance to pronounce those. Okay, so let's start with Gita. La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. Répétez.
Tour Eiffel.
Très bien. Champagne. Champagne.
Champagne.
Très bien. Baguette. Baguette.
Baguette.
Baguette.
Baguette.
Très bien. La bise. La bise. La
La
bise.
bise.
Très bien. Okay, we'll move on to this. This was Ratika's. Ratika.
Yeah.
Le croissant. Le croissant.
Le croissant.
Très bien. Le Louvre. Le Louvre.
Louvre.
La Joconde. La Joconde.
La Joconde.
Très bien. Then fromage was Sakshi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Sakshi. Fromage,
Fromage.
vin,
Vin.
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 Montmartre, Montmartre.
Montmartre.
So these are words that are very similar to English. You can easily guess at their meaning in French. Okay? So let's try some of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say some of these words one by one, and you all have to make a guess as to what their meanings are. Café, café, café.
Sorry.
Okay.
Can you say it again, Geeta? We didn't hear you.
A cafe.
A cafe. Is there a second meaning? Can you think of a second meaning to cafe?
Coffee.
Coffee, yeah. It's both a place, a cafe, and also coffee. Cafe. Cafe. Okay? Next. Number 2. Architecte. Architecte.
Architect.
Très bien. Très bien. Architecte. 3. Restaurant. Restaurant.
That's obviously a restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant. Next. 6. Chocolat. Chocolat. Chocolat.
Gita, I think
Yes. Okay. Chocolate.
Chocolate. Très bien. Chocolat. 7. Journaliste. Journaliste.
Journalist.
Yes. Très bien. 8. Actrice. Actrice.
is that an actress?
Oui, tout à fait. 12. Mangue. Mangue. Mangue.
No idea.
C'est un fruit. C'est un fruit.
Mango.
Oui, très bien. Très bien. Mangue. 13.
Okay.
Biscuit. Biscuit.
Is that a bisque, like a soup?
Biscuit.
Oui.
Oui.
Biscuit?
Oui. Oui.
Oh.
Très bien. 14. Banque. Banque.
Is it a bank?
Oui, tout à fait. Banque. 15. Avocat. Avocat.
Avoca. Is it a cow?
No. Avocat.
A cow?
No.
Avocado.
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 One more meaning, it's also a profession. Avocado.
I heard
Oh,
that.
advocate, a lawyer.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So did you enjoy that? Guessing the word?
Yes.
But you
Yes.
got it so easily, you got it all right, so you already know a lot of French. Right? Oui?
Yeah, these are transparent words, that's why.
Okay. We come now to les présentations, introduction. Okay? Je m'appelle Zenobia. Et vous? Anyone?
Je m'appelle Ratika.
So we start with Geeta and Krishi. You can do this little dialogue, yeah? Geeta?
Je m'appelle Gita. Et vous?
Je m'appelle Krishi.
Enchanté.
Ashanti.
Très bien. Très bien. Bravo. Next, Ratika and Sakshi.
Je m'appelle Ratika et vous?
Je m'appelle Sakshi.
Enchanté.
Ashanti.
Ok. So là, nous avons une situation formelle. Situation numéro 1, situation formelle. 2 personnes, monsieur et madame. Écoutez. Bonjour madame. Comment allez-vous? Bien. Et vous, monsieur? So this is a formal situation. What makes it formal? First of all, they're using bonjour. So when do you use bonjour? Do you
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. So you use
Bonsoir is for evening.
Yeah.
But that's Italian.
you start with bonjour. It means hello, it means good day, and you can use bonjour through the day till it's dark, till it gets dark, till sundown. Once it gets dark, then you use, as Ratika was saying, you use bonsoir. Bonsoir. Then to ask how you are, how a person is, you say comment allez-vous, or a standard expression that is used and where you can't go wrong is comment ça va? Comment ça va? And you can answer it in several ways. I've just given you 3 over here. So you can say bien, bien, fine, très bien, very well, or je vais bien. That's formal. Je vais bien. Could we start with maybe Ratika and Sakshi?
Okay.
Ratika, you can go.
Yeah, yeah, I'll start. Yeah. Bonjour, madame. Comment allez-vous?
Très bien. Et vous, madame?
Et vous, madame. Et vous.
Sorry, et vous, madame?
Je vais bien.
Très bien. Bravo. Okay.
Sorry, I did not say très bien. I said je vais bien.
Très bien. That's perfect. It's perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Soumya and Geeta.
Who's starting?
Bonjour, madame. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien.
Et vous, you can ask her, Geeta.
Et vous?
Madame.
Et vous, mademoiselle?
You could answer, Soumya. Et vous, mademoiselle?
Très bien.
Très bien, bravo. Situation 2, voilà, c'est une situation informelle. Informelle, deux amis qui se font la bise. Oui. Salut Marie, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Salut Marie, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Soumya, would you like to repeat?
Yes. Salut, Marie. Ça va?
Oui, ça va.
Oui, ça va.
Et toi? Et toi?
Et toi?
Et toi? Sakshi? Répétez, Sakshi.
Salut Marie, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi?
Très bien. Krishi?
Salut Marie, ça va?
Oui.
Oui, ça va. Et toi?
Très bien. Guy. Salut. Salut.
Salut.
You could say, ça va? Or, comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Ça va? Comment vas-tu? Comment comment allez-vous?
Comment vas-tu?
You have comment vas-tu? And then,
Comment vas-tu?
oui, ça va. Or you can just say ça va. Ça va. Ça va bien. Ça va très bien. Or when you're not doing well, ça va mal. Ça va mal. You have to match it. So what would you say for the first one? Which of these would you choose?
Bonne journée. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Voyage. What do you think bonne journée means? Have a nice journey?
Good journey, yeah?
Yeah, this is a faux ami that I was telling you
It's
about.
a good weekend.
Mots friends. So it's not journée has nothing to do with journey, but to do with day. So have a good day. Bonne journée. Have a good day.
Bonjour.
So the first one you'll associate it with bon voyage. F.
Bon voyage.
The second one
Bonne journée.
bonne journée. Bonne journée. The third one
Bon appétit.
bon appétit. Très bien. The fourth
Bon week-end.
bon weekend. The fifth
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
bonne nuit. And the sixth
Bonsoir.
bonne soirée. So have a nice
Soirée.
bonne
Soir.
soirée.
Bonne
Bonne soirée.
soirée.
You all just repeat after me. Bon appétit.
Bon
Bon
appétit.
appétit.
Not appétit, but just appétit. Bon appétit.
Appétit.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bon week-end.
Bon week-end.
Bonne soirée.
Bonne
soirée.
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 Bonne journée.
Bonne
Bonne
journée.
journée.
Bon voyage.
Bon
Bon
voyage.
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 Okay. Time.
Ok, au revoir.
So, different ways of saying
Au revoir.
goodbye. Au revoir. Répétez. Au
Au
revoir.
Au
revoir.
revoir. Au
Au revoir.
revoir.
Au revoir.
Or you can use bonsoir to greet someone and also to say bye. So you can say bye at the end of your conversation. Bonsoir.
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 À bientôt. À
À
bientôt.
bientôt. À bientôt.
See you soon.
Bientôt.
Can I go?
Or informal. Salut.
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 Okay, so that brings us to the end of this session. I hope it was not too much of an overload.
It was great.
How was it for you all?
It was
I
really
really
nice.
enjoyed it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it?
You're
Really nice.
Yes.
pronouncing so many words.
Yeah. French pronunciation takes some time and a lot of work.
Yeah. No, it's quite interesting. I think it'll keep your brain cells jogging for a while.
I hope you liked that sneak peek into my class. It gives me such pleasure to see my students say their first words and sentences in French, and all from the comfort and safety of their homes. If you like what you saw, do reach out to us at any of the coordinates given here. We'll be really happy to hear from you. Au revoir et à bientôt.